My first thing, lit an aroma candle to soothe a tiring day. A pillow which you guys always want nearby your bed, and this is my good luck cushion. I have habit to hold it and then sleep. शायद इससे मुझे सपने अच्छे आते हैं. Can't sleep with this much makeup, so I am quickly using two-step cleansing method. फर्स्ट बायोडर्मा सेंसी बायो H2O micellar makeup remover. ये पैसा वसूल चीज़ है and I love it because it removes waterproof makeup easily without leaving my skin dry or too much oily. My skin is really sensitive and this variant is best for sensitive skin. Bioderma's products are made in France and dermatological approved. For step 2 cleansing, I am using the same Bioderma Sensibio Gel Mousse Soothing Micellar Cleansing Foam. It is unfragranced, soap-free face wash. My skin feels very comfortable and hydrated और अगर कहीं से भी मेकअप निकलना रह गया है so it cleans that also. My skin feels very comfortable and hydrated. It turns my skin clean and pure for Bioderma Sensibio Tonic. This tonic lotion helps to soothe and moisturize sensitive skin. It has glycerin and cucumber extract which refresh my skin. Use code Bioderma5 to get discount. Purchase link मैंने description box में दे दिया है. Last but best thing, playing with my cute masti khor Madonna before finally saying goodbye. Good night.